there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw cruise ship Donald Duck, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the beak, and we're going to start right in the middle in the center with a curved line. Let's come underneath. So right in the center here, we're going to tuck this down on a diagonal, curving this in and over. We'll replicate this on the right, so lining that up at the same height, curving this down, in, back over, trying our best to end that at the same height. Let's add in a corner bracket up above. Now from here, let's round that out on the edge. So we're going to curve this up, down, and into the center. And then we'll replicate that on the right hand side as well. Now let's bring this up. So starting back on that line, we're going to curve this up, down, and back in, blending that together. Let's come underneath. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming in to the center on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then we'll close this off underneath with a curved line. Let's do the same as we come under. So again, drawing another diagonal line coming in. And then again, we'll just close that off with another curved line. Now right in the center, we're just going to draw in the letter V. Let's move up. So for the eyes, stepping over on the left, we're going to curve this up, drawing in a nice big oval, tucking that back down. And then we'll replicate that on the right hand side as well. Let's draw in an oval towards the inside edge for the pupil. We'll line that up at the same height on the right, replicating that. Let's add in another oval up above for the highlight. And now let's color in our eye black. Let's move up above the head. We're going to draw on the brow line here, just curving this around, tucking that in to the top there. Now let's draw on the tuft of hair up above. So we're going to curve this up, tucking that back down. We're going to arch this line over to the left, tucking that back in. And then again, we're just going to curve that across and through. Let's close off the side here, arching that over. Let's move up for the hat. So we're just going to draw in a straight line on either side. Now from here, let's close that off with a curved line up above, tucking that down. For the hat on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, tucking that into the middle. And then we'll replicate this on the right-hand side as well, tucking this over, blending that back together. Up above, let's draw in a half circle right in the center. Let's step under this now. On the left-hand side, curving this down. We'll come across to the right, lining that up at the same height, tucking that back through to the top. Let's draw two diagonal lines coming into the middle. Now let's move underneath. We're going to draw on the bow tie here. So right in the center, let's draw on an oval. On the left and right-hand side, let's curve this line out. And then we'll move in underneath, bringing that out on a diagonal, again, ending that at the same width as the line on the top. Let's close this off with a curved line. Let's draw two diagonal lines coming out on either side. And then now for the neck, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line coming up on both sides. Let's draw on the body here. So on the left, we're going to curve this around, tucking that into the center. And then we're going to replicate that on the right-hand side as well, blending that together. Let's move up. Closing off Donald's shirt, we're just going to draw in an arch line. Now let's move up for the arms. On the chin here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides for the arm. And then we'll come down, lining that up at the same width, bringing this diagonal line in towards the bow tie. Let's draw on the hand here. So stepping underneath from this line, we're going to curve this up and over. Just making sure that connects. Now for the thumb, we're going to curve this out, around, tucking that back in. Let's focus on the hand here now. So up above, we're going to curve this around, tucking that over and back underneath. Replicating this on the right, so tucking this down, curving that across, and then tucking that through. In the center of the palm, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. And then now coming underneath for the hand, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines coming across. Now let's draw in the leg. So from the center, stepping over for the feet, we're going to curve this line in, ending that at the same height. Now let's step up on a diagonal, bending that around for the knee, tucking that in to the body. And then now underneath for the foot, we're just going to curve this all the way around, tucking this back in on the top. To finish that off. And that is it. That's how you draw cruise ship Donald Duck. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.